shots in the mail, but I beg to differ. Think you won't tell, bro, I beg to differ. Spoke to your girl when we went for dinner. Dip when they hit 12 and she left the slipper. Do it by myself cause it's less trivial. Think you're stressing me hard, yo, I beg to differ. Second off the shelf, bro, I beg to differ. Think it's someone else, bro, I beg to differ. Don't hit my soul, unless it's money in hand. Labels that rang, moving funny with gang. Let it bark in the park, man, I've done it and ran. But they wanna tell me about our government plan. Said we did it cause we never had a chance. No one board in the hood, hit us like an avalanche. Tell them break a leg, now they wanna grab an arm. Now they got a tech, all they wanna have is palm. And it's hard, no milk in the yard. Bills my marge discard cause she gave me the half.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Kendra. If you're returning, welcome back, baby. So in this week's video, I'm filming basically high school days in my life, or like, I was gonna name it a week in my life, but like I know it's not gonna be a week. I know it's gonna be like random days, so that's what we're doing. Today is actually Thursday, May 25th, and it's currently 8:47. I have to go to school, of course, because it's Thursday. I have a unit test in biology this morning, so that's where I'm headed to right now. Let me show you guys my notes because they're giving. They're actually really cute. So these are basically like my review notes. They're so small, you cannot see a single thing. Okay, zoom in. Yeah, and then just this side. Yeah, but yeah, so I made my notes, blah blah blah. So I'm gonna go right now and like go to school and do whatnot, get this grade. I'm all dressed. I just need to put my shoes on and I need to leave in like, it's 8:48. I have to leave in like 12 minutes to go to school because I want to be early. I'm gonna put my socks on and then I'm gonna wear my Air Forces for the day. My hoodie is from Aritzia. I'm actually wearing a jumpsuit and not leggings, and this is from Fashion Nova. And then I'm gonna wear my Air Forces and some like knee-high, well not knee-high, that's crazy, like kind of long socks over this. So like these type of socks over my thingies, my leggings. These two different socks, they definitely are. I'm gonna quickly pack my bag and do all that extra stuff, and then whoa. So I'm gonna pack my bag really quick and I'll see you guys when I'm in the car and when I'm ready to go. I'm excited. Oh, I didn't spray myself. I think I sprayed myself with like my smaller perfume, but yeah, let's do this one. I'm gonna smell pretty florally today. And do this like fresh and clean frosted Victoria's Secret like pink. I just want to smell, you know. Yeah, come back home for lunch, so I'm not really gonna take anything to eat. I'll just come back home and eat because it's eating today. It's eating. Okay, let's go.
I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Baby, you can give us something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy.
Hey guys, so it is a little bit later on. It's actually after school right now and I'm about to head out to go to an event. I don't think I told you guys about this early on, but yeah, I have an event right now for my city's youth council that I'm on. I'm on to cultural event, so that's where I'm headed to right now. I don't know if I'm gonna bring my phone. Well, I need my phone, but I don't know if I'm gonna bring my camera, so I might just like get a few clips on my phone because I'm involved in it. Like I actually have to do things, in charge of games and stuff like that, so I kind of have to be very present. I actually have to go ASAP. No Rocky. I want to just show you guys the outfit before I leave. Just wearing this cute little pink floral sweetheart neckline dress, and my hair is just the same. Everything's just the same. I just put this dress on, I took a shower, I'm good to go. But I'll see you guys later on. We're not doing anything else after that. I'm gonna just come on home, probably sleep. Bye guys.
Ruling the way
is my prayer. If you are mine, if you are mine, I wouldn't want to go to heaven. Cherish the days, won't go astray, won't be afraid, won't catch me running, ruling the way that I move.
Hey guys, so today is a school day. My fire alarm is she's dead. We're gonna just hear her talk, but I'm about to leave for school. Precious. So I'm about to go ahead and obviously go to school to wait for my friend. Yeah. I'll see you guys later. Bye.
I need you, yeah, I really do. Tell me what to do.
Okay.
Tell me what to do.
Okay.
Tell me what to do. All I know is hit the mall to see what damage I could do.
Okay.
Deep down, I think about you all day, mommy. I know I'm a pit bull, but darling, mommy, I just wanna take you on a holiday, mommy. Say what's on your mind, I'ma call away, mommy. Come and rescue me. Whoa. Take me out the club, take me out the trap, take me off the mark, take me off the map. I'm tryna hit the group chat and tell them it's a come and rescue me. Take me out the club, take me out the trap, take me off the market.
We're about to go watch Fast X, I think, or The Little Mermaid. I don't know which one she picked, but that's where we're gonna go do. It actually starts at 10:15, and it is currently 10:07.
This is why I'm hot. 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 I'm hot cause I'm fly. You ain't cause you not. This is why I'm hot. I'm hot cause I'm fly. You ain't cause you not. This is why I'm hot. This is why I'm hot. I don't gotta rap. I could sell a mill saying nothing on the track. I represent New York. I got it on my back. Say that we lost it, so I'ma bring it back.
Hey guys, welcome back to our vlog. We're in chemistry right now.
There's no one else on yet.
He's a nice guy.
The lighting is nice on this thing.
It's Pinterest vlog camera. My forehead looks shiny.
The time is currently 9:34. My trusty water is here, of course. I just want to say that her whole head is literally a beluga whale. Because this is the queen herself, Kendra.
Okay, vlog's done.
And peace.
I'm going today. How is your hair so slick?
It's not, it's about to start sweating out.
I tied mine down too. I have to go get
I'm like whatever when she mad to say better. I put the diamond on your face, Rockefeller. I put the knee to you and now we here together. You're the only girl for me. You're the only girl I need.
wasn't planning on going to the water, but I did. I just dived into the water. Don't swim with gelatin ever. Like, who told me this was okay? There's like a family right there, and then there's like people down there. As you can see, people are here, people are everywhere. Oh, they're flying a kite. Look. You see it right there? A little bit. I don't know if I can park here. I think I can, guys. I'm downtown. I just drove downtown for the first time by myself. Okay, by myself.
I've been blowing through the money like it's blowing trees. I've been on a French, say la vie. I just put them on a jet, now they all Italian. Way I'm dressed until I've been to $1,000. This is fly by getting shots, but she's still a stallion. She don't even get the joke, but she's still smiling. Every night, late night, like I'm Jimmy Fallon.
Cross shoot from anywhere like you Ray Allen.
Cody, turn me up. Cody, turn me up.